Oh, it's not there anymore. It's back to life.
Let's go get it.
I'm not picking that up.
I'll pick it up. Yeah.
He's running.
Hey, Thomas.
No.
Hold on. I was gonna let him watch me eat it. At least lick it.
You're not really gonna put your
Lick.
tongue on that. Don't. Oh.
Look, Thomas. It's in there. Oh gosh. Only because it's dead would I do that. I would not do that. Oh, look, he's gonna throw up.
That's gross.